If you have a problem with no power in your Bosch appliances, you can check the power board for the following problem. In this video, I will show the most common problem with power boards in appliances. First, you need to find where the power board of the appliance is located and remove it. Remove back cover. Here in the bottom left, it's the main power board. Remember all cables connections. This WAY32840 offline switcher is the reason there is no power to the board. You need to replace it with a new one, but usually this large resistance also breaks along with it. It is very important to replace it too. Just replace and try.